Hi, welcome back for Veganuary day 13.
Oh.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. It's lucky 13. That is my actual lucky number.
Yeah, you love that.
I know.
Eat it up. Nom, 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 nom.
So today, we're going to do a little fusion. This girl behind the camera loves pesto.
Yeah.
And she also loves falafel. We're
That's
going to
true.
make a pesto falafel instead of a cilantro falafel.
Mmm.
I haven't tried this before, so I hope it's going to be delish.
Okay.
But we're going to find out. We like to experiment here. We like to
It's the
take
test
risks.
kitchen.
Because people who take risks win. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
Michael Scott, Wayne Gretzky. Yeah.
All right, so we've got an easy pesto falafel recipe because we're using canned chickpeas. Normally, to do this traditionally, you would use dried chickpeas, soak them overnight, grind them up, and fry them.
It's a whole thing.
It is a whole thing. We're gonna go open the can. Already did it. And we're gonna grind them up in the food processor super quick. We're gonna leave them a little chunky. But why should I talk about it? Let's go do it. All right. So we're going to chop up our onions and garlic first because if you put these in with the chickpeas, they're gonna get lost, and then you're gonna get a big piece of one of them, and you're gonna be like, I'm not making this again because that doesn't taste good. So let's get these in here, our little root vegetables.
Mm.
Would you consider these a root vegetable?
Sure.
I don't know, maybe. Maybe not. I need to see the specs on that.
Yeah.
Let's just pulse, baby. Pulse. Still big pieces of garlic.
Work it. Do what you gotta do.
All right. Well, that looks pretty good.
Smells lovely.
Smells even better.
Mm-hmm.
Smell it. We're going to add one of the cans and give it a good pulse.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want it too shreddy. We don't want it too creamy. Not this batch, anyway. This will be the shreddy batch.
Mm-hmm.
So, shreddy balls.
Oh,
I've got a
no.
bowl already. All right, let's empty most of this into the bowl. Now we're going to do the creamy part.
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be like the bricks and mortar part.
Okay. That's really gonna hold it together.
That's going to hold it together. That's going to hold the shreddy balls together. So we're going to just put a little splash of lemon in there. That's probably like 1.5 tablespoons.
It'll be
And I like to get out. I like to put my spices in with the creamy part so that they get equal distribution.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want them fighting over who inherited more money.
Well, tell us what you're putting in. Or just dump it all.
Sorry, it was baking powder, cumin, coriander. I'll tell you exactly. Parsley, salt.
Okay.
You got that, honey?
It will all be listed in the info.
You didn't write anything down. How will you remember my order?
I'll just know. Don't worry.
All right, so let's make this creamy. Go. That's pretty good.
All right.
No, it's not.
No, it's pretty chunky, honestly.
Let's scrape down the sides a little bit. We like to have fun here.
We do.
As my mom would always say, if you can't laugh, you're a dead duck.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Now I think we're
pretty much
talking.
there. Pretty much there.
As she does more.
I said pretty much. I didn't say we were there.
Okay. Okay.
All right. That's good. Let's bring that to over here. Careful of the blade.
Yeah. Don't cut yourself.
You don't want to see that.
Yummy. Ooh, you can see the texture difference.
Yes, for sure. And now we're going to add the secret ingredient.
Mm-hmm.
Aldi ground up basil.
Ooh.
So we don't have to mess with the muddy plant from the,
Mm-hmm.
produce department.
Right.
It's already ground up for us. It's ready to go. We're going to give it a good squirt.
Nice. So easy.
Exactly. So there's one ingredient left, actually, and that is flour. So to make this gluten-free, we're going to use chickpea flour instead of actual wheat flour.
So this is like chickpea central.
Yeah. If you don't want to use chickpea flour, you can use flour, regular.
Mm-hmm.
But I like to keep things as gluten-free as possible.
Ooh, I smell that basil.
Woo! Woo! So that's why I'm not giving an amount of the chickpea flour. This is just enough to hold it together, but not be dry. I know, it's tricky.
You gotta find that balance.
You gotta find the balance, and the only way you can do that is, by guesstimating.
It smells so good.
And we're also not gonna fry these. We're gonna bake them in the oven.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh, did I go too far? Hope not.
It's getting pretty thick.
Yeah.
Getting pretty messy.
Yeah, but it's starting to hold together pretty nicely.
Yeah.
We don't want it to be too sticky.
All right. Well, we'll be back when you're ready to shape that up.
Okay. The cars. Oh, you're back?
We are.
I didn't see you go away, but you're back. So I'm going to scoop these out onto a greased, or I shouldn't say greased, a sprayed,
Oiled.
yeah.
Olive oiled tray.
Yeah. It works best when you use the scoop because this is quite sticky. You'd have to keep wetting your hands, and this just makes it so simple. And then you just flatten it out a little bit.
Looking good.
Right?
It's holding together really well.
Yeah, so we're just going to scoop all of these out, and then we'll be ready to pop it in the oven. I've already got my oven preheating to 375. And we're having these for lunch today with tomorrow's recipe, which is ranch dressing. Little preview for you.
Yum.
But if you can't wait, just do a search on the channel. It's already there. We have a few, though, but I won't tell you which one. It's the original. Oh.
Beautiful.
So what do we get? 4, 8, 12. A dozen.
These are hefty, too.
They are
so
hefty.
You could definitely make them smaller if you wanted to.
Yeah, but then you'd have to cook them for less time. Another good reason for using the scoop is that they're all the same size.
Right.
So they're all going to be ready at the same time. You don't have to worry. So we're going to pop these in 375. We're going to flip them over after, I would say, 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
I would do 10. Just, in case. I haven't made falafel in this oven yet.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
So my oven's very hot, very fast. So I'm going to say flip it at 10. Check it after another 10. And we'll be ready to eat. Awesome. Nice.
It looks beautiful, and it smells so good.
It goes with your sweater today.
I know, right?
Yeah.
This is my pre-shower sweater
Okay.
from yesterday.
Oh, I didn't know. All right. So they were 10 minutes on one side. Flip them, 10, 11 minutes on the other side.
They
we
look
got some
pretty
beautiful
good.
vegan tzatziki dip from Trader
Trader
Joe's.
Joe's. Excited to give that a try as well.
Dairy free.
Oh.
I know, right?
Just take a look at the inside.
Okay.
See, it's all like mushy, but then there's the pieces.
Wait, there
like
we go. Do it again.
So it's mushy.
Yes.
And then pieces. It's got a nice, like,
Little
crusty
crispy.
exterior.
Yeah. Dip, baby.
Oh, maybe I
dip.
should try without first. I
How's the basil? Is it coming through?
A little bit. It's not overwhelming.
Okay.
It's not like you're just like pesto, which
Yeah.
pesto can do sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes
It can
it's
kinda
too
take
much.
over.
Yeah.
But this is a nice, like...
Fresh, light?
Yes. It's not overwhelmingly pesto.
Okay.
But you can taste the little hint of it in there, which is nice.
Well, sometimes people don't like cilantro.
Right.
Who are they?
Wow, that's tzatziki.
Yeah.
But with the whole cilantro thing, isn't that one of those ones where like you either love it or you hate it?
It's very polarizing, yes.
Because it tastes like soap to some people.
To some people.
I love cilantro,
I
but
do
I know
too.
that some people are not into it. But if you are one of those people that does not love cilantro,
Yeah.
this is for you.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay, I'm going to dip this. My mouth did not touch this part.
I don't care.
I'm just saying.
I'm not one of those people. We're all related, so like, I don't care.
That is so good.
Oh, we're having that
The
for
falafel
lunch.
and the tzatziki.
We're having falafel salads.
That's got a nice crust on it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And no oil.
Yeah.
Oil-free, baby.
Look at that.
If you're an oil-free person, this one's for you. Oil-free, gluten-free.
May as well just finish this one.
Yeah. All right. Well, you enjoy.
All right.
It's beautiful, baby.
Thank you all so much for watching. We hope you give this a try. Let us know if you do.